Take your PBX to the next level. Get more benefits with VitalPBX add-ons. If you're like most businesses, you take your PBX security seriously. But what if there was a better way to add an extra layer of protection? Well, our Geo-Firewall add-on module is designed to do just that. With the Geo-Firewall, you can block access to your VitalPBX for any countries you choose. This keeps your business safe from international scammers, telemarketers, and many more threats. VitalPBX is the final solution for your business that looks for an effective PBX phone system. Don't believe me? Well, try it out today. We've got a community version that'll give you a head start and the chance to try all of the features to get to know everything that VitalPBX is capable of. Download and install it today.